Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit USDT Tether into your FinUp account. First, log into your FinUp account on the website or mobile application. Now once logged in, navigate to the deposit section which you will find in the dashboard or under account settings. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. You will be given a unique USDT wallet address. Open your external crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or Binance and send the USDT to the FinUp wallet address. Make sure to copy the address correctly and select the right blockchain network, depending on FinUp's instructions. And there you have it. That is how you deposit USDT into your FinUp account. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.